Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. As promised, I'm back with another Eid makeup tutorial, and today I will be showing you how I got these green halo eyes. Recently my eye makeup looks have consisted of using multiple eyeshadow colours, and today I wanted to create an eye makeup look using just one colour, and I opted for this green which matches my outfit perfectly. And I'm actually really loving how this eye makeup has turned out. Like, using one colour is just as effective as using multiple colours. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. So I have already applied my base and I will list out all the products I've used in the description box below. But to begin with, I am going to prime my eyes and I'm going to use the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. And I'm just going to take my concealer brush and pat this all across my eyelids. Next, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette and taking this like a khaki colour and using a blending brush, I'm just going to apply this onto my crease area, and the brush I'm using is by Beauty Bay. I begin by pressing the eyeshadow onto my base and then I blend it out. Now, taking the brightest green shade in the palette and using a flat shader brush, the one I'm using is by H&M, I'm just going to pat this onto the outer corner of my eyes and the inner corner of my eyes. As you can see, I have left the centre of my eyes blank, and this is where we're going to add in a shimmer shade. Next, I'm going to take this minty shade from the palette and using my MAC 224 blending brush, I'm just going to blend this out into our crease area just so we have a nice transition and there aren't any harsh lines. Now I'm going to take the P. Louise Primer and Define in the shade Extra AF, and this is like a nice gold shimmer shade, and we're going to apply this into the centre which we left blank. And I'm just using a small shader brush to do so. As usual, you want to pat the colour because if you rub it, it will spread, and that is not the look we are going for. Using the same brush, I'm just going to take this green glitter and apply this onto the centre of our eyes, which is effectively over the base we've just applied. Next, I'm going to take this yellowy golden colour and using a pencil brush, I'm going to apply this under my brow bone and just below my eyebrows just to highlight the eye area. Taking this green Kiko Milano pencil, I'm going to apply this onto my waterline and to my lower lash line. Using the green eyeshadow we applied onto our lids, I'm going to blend this out. And I'm just going to use a shimmer shade towards the inner eyes. Finally, apply some mascara and lashes. The lashes I'm using are Tatti lashes in TL19. So that is our eye makeup look complete. For lips, I applied the Lime Crime Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Suede Berry and then mixed this with the NYX Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, and this was the perfect combo for my outfit, and this complements the eyes really well. But if you do prefer to, you can go for a more neutral or nude shade. This is a completed look and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to my channel. A very happy Eid to everyone who's celebrating. I hope you enjoy your time with your loved ones. Take care for now, and I shall see you in my next tutorial. Bye!